Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD Deals. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon so that you never miss our uploads. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review a very interesting tool called SuperCopy.ai. This is an AI writer, but it is very different from all those typical writers. What it does is help you to create personas or personalities, and those personalities are going to be very specific, such as it could be the persona of a student, it could be the persona of an old person or a young athlete or a mother or a father, and individuals like that. So SuperCopy helps you create personas, and then based on those personas you can create content. As a result, your content is going to be very targeted, and the best part is you can create different types of content with those personas. For example, you can create copies, you can create social media captions, you can even write emails, newsletters, and so on. And great news is SuperCopy.ai is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal, which means you do not have to go through any subscription plans. You only have to pay $29 one time, and then you can get lifetime access to SuperCopy.ai. So if you want to buy the lifetime deal of SuperCopy, make sure you check the link in the description below of this video. SuperCopy.ai is an alternative to Copy.ai and Jasper. Now let's have a look at the features that are available with this Appsumo deal. So as you can see, you can create blog content, social media content, website copy, you can brainstorm marketing ideas. There are other features such as email marketing, campaign tracking, targeted copy, and so on. Keep in mind that SuperCopy.ai is based on GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT 4, which is really good, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The license tier 1 costs $29 with 1 users and 15,000 tokens. The tier 2 costs $69 with 3 users, and tier 3 costs $199 with 5 users. And this is the website of SuperCopy, and as you can see, these three are the primary features of this tool. So you can create personas with the AI of SuperCopy, you can create content based on those personas, and there is even an additional feature which is also very much needed. So it is content improvement, which means you can improve your grammar, you can extend or you can reduce the size of your content using SuperCopy. SuperCopy also has subscription plans. As you can see, this is the monthly plan, and there is also the annual plan, and on annual planning there is currently 20% off going on. So after you log into SuperCopy, first you have to provide the brand name and the brand website, and according to that SuperCopy is going to create personas. So I'm going to type the name of a very popular shoe brand, which is Nike, and then I will also have to paste the website of this brand. So I'm going to paste the URL of Nike, their about page, then click on next. Now I can provide a quick description about this brand, which industry it is targeting, and the tone of voice for this brand. So for industry I'm going to select fashion. Now let's add a quick description. So this is going to be the description, and for the tone of voice I'm going to go with informal, optimistic, enthusiastic, sassy, and encouraging. Now click on next. And as surprising as it is, SuperCopy has found some perfect audience for our brand, which is Nike. So as you can see, one is athletic enthusiast, another is active athlete, and the last one is young fashionista. You can also see their goals, their age, and also the things that they are interested in, and you can select all of them, or you can also deselect some if you want. So I'm going to select all of them and then click on next. Now you have to choose what types of content you want to create. I'm going to choose all of them. So as you can see, now we are in the actual dashboard of this SuperCopy tool, and now we can start creating content. So let's go to this personas, and this is the persona that we just created, which is Nike brand. And these are some of our audiences based on this brand. And if you want to create a new persona, you have to click on this, and then you can create a persona based on a brand or a product or even an audience. Since we have created one persona already, let's try to create content based on this. Let's try the tweet feature. So let's select the brand name. You can also choose the product persona. For that you have to create a product first by clicking on this, and then you have to choose the audience. So I'm going to choose young fashionista, and then you have to type what this tweet is going to be about, the goal of this tweet. So this is going to be the goal of my tweet. And then you can also choose some input settings. For that, click on this, and on this box you can provide some keywords, and the keywords that are mentioned in this box are going to appear in the tweet that you are generating. For example, I want my tweet to have this fabulous word, and then you can also select if you want the tweet to be generic or more creative. Now let's generate. So as you can see, these are the tweets that we have generated, and these are some really good tweets. SuperCopy has done an amazing job creating these tweets. They have proper hashtags. The character limit is according to Twitter. There are some emojis, as you can see. Now let's try some other features of SuperCopy. So as you can see, this is the full list of content that you can create using SuperCopy, and this is a pretty big list, as you can see. So what I want to do is create an email based on Nike brand. So let's go to email and select the brand and then select the audience. So the email is going to be for active athletes, and let's once again type our goal, and then you can customize further by providing keywords and then also selecting how much generic or creative you want to be, and then simply click on generate draft. So as you can see on the right side, we have got a draft of the email based on the goal, and keep in mind that this email is specifically targeted to active athletes. So if you think the email is not up to the mark, you can also click on regenerate. Let's click on this, and it is going to generate another copy of this email. So here you go. As you can see, this one is way more engaging with emojis and with different types of points, as you can see. Now let's copy this email, and if you have noticed that there is even regenerate selection option, which means if you select a particular paragraph, you can even regenerate those specific paragraphs, which is an excellent feature. So let's copy this email, and now let's go to extend copy. So there are some of the writing improvement features, such as you can improve your copy, you can simplify your copy, you can expand your copy, you can change the audience for your copy, you can change the format, you can even change the tone. So let's try this extender. So this is our email. Now let's try to extend this email. So the email has been extended. As you can see, this is a short form email, but on the right side you can get a very long form email. So the expanding feature of SuperCopy is working perfectly well. You can also brainstorm ideas for different types of campaigns. For that, go to this and then choose your brand, select the audience, and then you have to provide the brainstorming topic. So let's write something. So this is going to be the topic. Now let's generate brainstorm. Okay, I will also have to choose the main goal, that is going to be sell a product and generate new audience. Now let's click on generate brainstorm. So as you can see on the right side, there are some topics or ideas brainstormed by SuperCopy based on your main goal and based on the topic that I have given. So these are some of the ideas that I can use for my next campaigns. So overall, I think SuperCopy.ai is an excellent tool, and this is an AI writer that is a must buy, because this is very different from all the AI writers that you have ever seen. The content it creates is going to be very effective because the content is targeted based on different personas, and you can create so many different types of personas that are simply amazing. And based on those personas, you can create blog, you can create emails, you can write newsletters, you can even brainstorm ideas for your next campaigns. So overall, I think SuperCopy.ai is a tool that you must not miss. So if you want to buy this tool on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features that are available with the tool, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.